Yeah, I'm about to prepare afang now. These are the ingredients for afang. This is my water leaf. This is my water leaf. This is my periwinkle. You have to wash it. Look at it, very neat, so that when you are eating it, you will not feel sound. This is my stockfish. This is pepper. This is my crayfish, and this is maggi. This is salt, and this is palm oil, and this is my washed fish, dry fish. You can use any dry fish of your choice. And this is my goat's meat. Can you see it? Well parboiled, well prepared. You can see it. I've already boiled it. This is it, my goat's meat. If you cook afang with goat's meat, it's very nice. Now I'm going to be adding my stockfish. Then my fish. Crayfish. Okay, after crayfish, pepper. Then I'm going to be adding my maggi. Yummy. I'm going to be adding my maggi. Just look at it. Then turn it like this. Cover it. Super boy. Cover it like this. Then when it's parboil, let it parboil. Oh, after parboiling it like this, look at it. Did you just see it? The oil is very well parboiled. Then the next thing that I'm going to put now is our water leaf. Look at water leaf. I washed. Look at my water leaf, very nice. Water leaf. Look at it. Oh my God! You see the water leaf. So I'm putting water leaf now. I'm still going to cover it. I have to leave it like 10 minutes. Then we'll come back. Yeah, after boiling it like this, you can see it's boiled. Just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. I did 5 minutes. Just look at it. Start boiling it like that. Then I'm going to be putting my periwinkle inside. That's it. I'm putting my periwinkle. Wow. Because periwinkle doesn't stay long like that too. It's done. So now I'm going to be turning it like this. Then the last thing I'm going to be adding is the afang leaf, which is okazi leaf. Look at, that's what I'm going to be putting. Okazi leaf has to go inside last. Let's go inside last. Then spread it like this. Then cook it like 3 minutes. Cook it like 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Let it boil very well. Wow, it's boiling now very well. It's ready. We must not allow the okazi to stay long on the fire. because it will be bitter. So that is it. This is my afang soup. Wow, ready to serve. Chai, yummy, yummy, yummy. Wow, this afang is sweet too. Ready to serve. Can you see it? Ready to serve. Wow.